Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Charles Girardier was in Malaysia and I got my first CG. What's up people? This is gonna be a short video of me giving you a lowdown of my purchase experience with Charles Girardier and a glimpse on what happened when Charles Girardier was in Malaysia. Not too long ago, after the success of winning the CPHG award for their women's mysterious signature collection, Charles Girardier launched their new lineup called the Magic 8 collection, which currently comes in cobalt blue, emerald green, and, until most recently, the misty purple. I was fortunate enough to be the first in the country and in the world, allegedly, to own a Magic 8, says Charles Girardier. I was even more blessed to have Mr. Patrick Ilm, the CEO of Charles Girardier, hand-deliver the watch to me. I won't deny this, the whole purchase and watch delivering experience do make me feel a little privileged. I was in complete awe when I first saw the watch. Yes, I have opted for the cobalt blue because it has a very unique color which I have not seen in any other watches, especially in a minimalist dial and in an enamel form, a grand feel enamel. The watch comes with a 5 years warranty and I got Patrick to sign it off for me. We then had a little celebration with some noshes and nibbles and proceeded to a private viewing of Charles Girardier's novelty. Charles Girardier has currently two lines of watches, the Mysterious Signature and the Magic 8. I've done a review video on the Mysterious Signature Cobalt Blue. This is a flying tourbillon. If you missed that video, I'll put a link in the description below. These, however, are the Magic 8. I must say the dial on these watches are truly amazing. Videos and pictures really don't do justice to them. You really need to see them in person to appreciate how gorgeous the dials are as well as the finishing on the case. To put it simply, this is the quintessence of time. Speaking of quintessence, thanks to Rob Report together with Macallan, the 2 days event at St. Regis was top notch. There was an introduction of the brand and a presentation of the timepieces. The whiskey tasting and the tete-a-tete on watches is of course most enjoyable. For a brand that was rebirthed recently in 2018, I must say CG is doing pretty well with many taking interest in their timepieces. Of course, Patrick's trip to Malaysia wouldn't be complete without an audience with the Malaysian Watch Club. Whilst Patrick's trip here may have been short, it is pretty obvious that it has been a fruitful and enjoyable one for him. So, if any of you are planning for a trip, do consider visiting Malaysia and I'm sure we have a lot more to offer. For starters, there will be a lot more tete-a-tete on watches and noshes and nibbles. So, what's my take on the Magic 8 you ask? That would be a video for another day, after I have a chance to thoroughly review the Magic 8. For now, you just have to feast your eyes on these pictures that are available. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit that notification icon to support me and I really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.